Samsung is back with their newest flagship smartphone in the market, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. And yes, it does come in three different variants, the Galaxy S22, the S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But this time, Samsung got a surprise for the Galaxy S22 Ultra as this smartphone now supports a built-in S Pen. Hey guys, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph, and today we're gonna take a closer look at the newest flagship smartphone of Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first, let's discuss what we can expect from the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. The Samsung Galaxy S22 series will now come with an Armor aluminum body and also a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. In case you didn't know, the Armor aluminum is the feature that also comes on the Galaxy Z series, and I really appreciate that they've added that feature on the Galaxy S22 series as they add a better and tougher build on the smartphone. We now have a tougher frame. You might not feel it, but having an Armor aluminum body is a big upgrade compared to the predecessor. But the design of the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus reminds me of the Galaxy S21 series. It's actually pretty much the same. There are only some few changes. But with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we now have a design that reminds me of the Galaxy Note series. And of course, these smartphones comes with an IP68 water and dust resistant, so you know that your smartphone is protected. Basically, the Galaxy S22 is for the people who wants to have a portable and a handy flagship smartphone, while the Galaxy S22 Plus is pretty much the same but with a larger screen estate. If you want a smartphone that comes with all the features that you want on a flagship smartphone and also made for productivity, then you might want to go for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as this one supports S Pen and it has a bigger and larger display. The Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a thick design, but of course it does come with a lot of features. First, the S Pen is back on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And again, the design of the smartphone reminds me of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that we have reviewed before. And unlike the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, this smartphone comes with a built-in S Pen design, so you don't need to have an external case or a third-party case just to bring your S Pen with you anywhere. So if you love the Galaxy Note series smartphones, you will definitely love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And of course, the smartphone will come with some features that we love from the Galaxy Note series, including screen write. And if you love drawing, I'm pretty sure that you would love the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Actually, there's a minor thing that I didn't like about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it's the color of the S Pen. All of the S Pen that we have tried from the demo units are all in black. It doesn't resemble the same color of the body of the smartphones that we have tried. Every year, Samsung surprises us with their displays on their smartphones, and with the dynamic AMOLED 2X displays on the Galaxy S22 series, I'm pretty sure that you would love the display, as these displays are, if not the best, probably one of the best in the market right now. They are vivid, they are beautiful, and they offer an excellent quality thanks to the Samsung panels that we got on these smartphones. The Galaxy S22 comes with a 6.1-inch display, while the Galaxy S22 Plus comes with a larger 6.6-inch display, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a larger 6.8-inch display. And yes, we do got here a curved display on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And of course, the Galaxy S22 Ultra supports S Pen with pressure sensitivity, so writing on it, drawing on it, or signing document feels more natural compared to other devices with a stylus. I've tried it and I was amazed with the latency of the S Pen. I do like the feel when writing on it, and I do like the latency that we got on the display and in the S Pen. And yes, the displays on the Galaxy S22 series smartphones comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, so gaming on it will be just fine. For the battery, the Samsung Galaxy S22 comes with a 3,700 mAh of battery, the Galaxy S22 Plus comes with a 4,500 mAh of battery, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a 5,000 mAh of battery. While the numbers might sound normal to most smartphones, The charging speed is now upgraded on the Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Both of these smartphones now supports a 45 watts of charging, which means that you can charge your Galaxy devices faster than ever. This is not a new feature, as we have seen this feature before on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I'm not sure why they ditched that on the Galaxy S21 series, but hopefully the one that we got on the Galaxy S22 Ultra does have a consistent charging speeds. Now, for the camera, Samsung has promised that they've improved the cameras of the Galaxy S22 series, and they are great for content creators and for those people who love to take videos and photos for Instagram and TikTok. Actually, I do love the camera of these smartphones. Later on, I'm going to show you some of the shots that I took using the Galaxy S22 series smartphones. For the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus, they have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. And then there's the 10 megapixel selfie camera. Basically, we got here a different camera setup from the Galaxy S21 series despite having a similar look on the body of the smartphones. While the Galaxy S22 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a 108 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens. One of it is 3x and the other one is 10x. And for the selfie camera, the smartphone features a 40 megapixel front-facing camera. And both of these smartphones supports space zoom. With the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus comes with a 30x space zoom, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a 100x zoom. Actually, to give you more justice about the cameras of the smartphone, let me show you some of the sample shots that we took using the Galaxy S22 series smartphones. As for the quality, they are pretty good. I've tried video on this one and I was still able to record at 8K 24 frames per second. I'm not sure why there's no 8K 30 frames per second on the smartphone. Nonetheless, they are promising a better camera on this one compared to the previous generation. And so far, what we've seen in our early hands-on of the smartphones, I actually like it. I noticed that these smartphones are improved and they are better compared to the Galaxy S21. Some of the features that they've also introduced for this series is the nightography and also the night portrait. Basically, Samsung has improved their night shots. Unfortunately, our hands-on session was during the morning, so we were not able to shoot at night and to take shots or to take nightography shots on the smartphones. For years, Samsung has been using Exynos processor for the Southeast Asian market, but this time, that's about to change. Because the Galaxy S22 series now comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor inside. We're not yet sure if that's a good news or a bad news, as Samsung has partnered with AMD for the Exynos 2200. But with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, we're pretty sure that the smartphone will offer a flagship performance. So basically, Southeast Asia will now have a Snapdragon processor, while some other countries will still have the Exynos processor. While I don't have any ideas regarding the benchmarks and the performance of the new Galaxy S22 series on both Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the Exynos 2200 processors, we're pretty sure that Samsung has promised that the smartphones will offer an 8% performance increase in CPU, 26% in GPU, and 100% in NPU compared to the previous generation of Galaxy smartphones. But of course, there are other features that we can expect, including Wi-Fi 6E and of course, 5G. The Samsung Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus offers an incremental upgrade from the previous generation, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra, this one is the one that you're looking for. I mean, we got here a beautiful display. Of course, there's an upgraded camera all in the series, and then there's the S Pen. The S Pen is the game changer in here, and I love that we got that feature on this smartphone. Well, for now, we're not yet sure how this one will perform, but so far I'm amazed with its camera. The build quality is really solid, and of course there's the S Pen for productivity. So yes, I do like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I would love it to be my next smartphone. Now for the SRP, the Galaxy S22 will start at $45,990 for the 8 plus 128 and $49,990 for the 8 plus 256. You can get the Galaxy S22 Plus for $56,990 for the 8 plus 128 and $69,990 for the 8 plus 256. And for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the smartphone starts at $68,990 for the 8 plus 128 variant and 12 plus 256 for $72,990, and then there's the 12 plus 512 gigs for 80,990 pesos. And yes, they are expensive, but we're pretty sure that we're getting here flagship features, including the best display, an amazing camera, the S Pen, and an amazing power inside. So I guess that's it for our first impressions of the Galaxy S22 series. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in my next video.